Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 29, decrypt your presentation. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, locate the file which is work.pptx. In the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to encrypt your presentation. So now when we click on or double click on this file, we will be prompted with a message that tells us to enter the password to open the presentation. So let's type in the password that we created yesterday, open, and the presentation has now opened. We can now minimize Finder for the moment. Now to decrypt the PowerPoint presentation, it's literally the same way that we use to encrypt. However, this will be a reverse of the process. So go to File, go to Passwords, and as you can see, encrypt this presentation and require a password to open has been ticked. If we click on the tick, click on OK. Now if we quit PowerPoint, if we now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to OneDrive, locate the file work.pptx, you can see that there is no longer a lock available on top of this presentation, as beforehand it was encrypted. After we reversed the process, we decrypted the file. If we double click on work.pptx, minimize Finder again, and there we go. We have the presentation all in working order as it was before. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.